This is my own Google Voice number that I currently use. Google Voice number works exactly like a real SIM card. You can use it for making calls, sending and receiving text messages, use it for WhatsApp, Telegram, anything that requires a phone number. If you are looking for a way to get a USA SIM card that lasts forever, then this is for you. In my last video where I talked about making money from Atapal Survey app, I promised to show you how to get a USA SIM card that works on all survey platforms and also works for any verification. So this is the update. If you have been waiting, I'm sorry for the delay because I received a lot of messages from people who are waiting for this update. I was a bit busy with work and other businesses, but today I just have the opportunity to make this video for you. So without wasting any time, let's begin with today's update. When it comes to getting virtual numbers, you know how expensive it is. If you buy virtual phone numbers from apps like Numero, On Phone, TextNow and the rest of them, then you know you have to pay every month. And the monthly bill is up to $15 per month. And if you fail to pay, you will lose access to your virtual number. That is the disadvantage of having virtual phone numbers. But with Google Voice, you are not paying anything and it lasts forever. So let me show you how to get your Google Voice number. You are welcome to GJNs. On this channel, I basically teach people how I make money online from survey websites, any website, and I also share online business tips with my viewers. I also share some useful tutorials and digital skills with my viewers. If this sounds like things you like to see, then subscribe to my channel. So let me give you a little information about Google Voice number. Google allows people to get a second phone number that they can use. And you know Google always give premium things. Many people are using this second number for their businesses, or they just want a private number that they use for other things that is not directly related with their public things. And one thing about it is that it lasts forever. Once you get a Google Voice number, you don't have to worry about paying. But there is a problem. Google Voice only allows people in the United States to use the service. So people living outside the US don't have direct access to it. But there is a solution to every problem. So the solution that most people use is they let someone in the United States do it for them. For example, if you have a friend or family member in the United States, they can help you set up your Google Voice number and then give you the access. But if you don't have someone in the United States, how can you do it? Let me show you how I get mine. There is this platform called Mega Ply. This is one of the secret websites that most people don't like to share. In fact, some people will not be happy to see me sharing this update, but I don't care. So Mega Ply is a marketplace where you can buy things for really cheap rates. And the best part of it is that you are not interacting with the seller directly, you are dealing directly with the website. So there is no way a seller will cheat you. You can see some things that people are buying on this website. First, I need to log into my own account. So I will click login. Then I will enter my credentials and login. As you can see here, I have purchased over 43 items from MegaPly, and those people doing gift card arbitrage know what I'm talking about. This is where most of them come to buy cheap gift cards, then they go to sell it for profit. And if I click purchases, you will see some items that I have bought myself. I have bought some gift cards here and sold for profit too. So the website is self-explanatory. Like I said, here are some items that people are buying the most. People are currently buying premium Grok accounts for cheap prices. People are also buying cheap ChatGPT accounts and Canva accounts for cheap prices here, and even CapCut. I will make a video about these things soon. So what you need is a Google Voice number. So follow these simple steps to get your own Google Voice number. While you are logged in on Mega Ply, just click on the menu icon, then click here. This is where you will see a lot of products and accounts that you can get. Just click the search box and search for Google Voice. You will see a lot of options here. You can choose anyone you like because they are all the same. After that, you will see the details here. Now you can select any number of Google Voice you want. As for me, since I am setting up this one for one person, I will leave it as one. Then click here and confirm the action. That's it. After that, you will be taken to this section of your account. Here you will see all the items you have gotten from Mega Ply. As for me, I've gotten over 43 items on this website. Some of them have even expired. Now, you need to copy the details of the Google Voice you just got. So click Access Content because you need to add the details to your phone so that you can access the Google Voice. If you click on the View Details button, you'll be taken to this page. Here are all the details you need to access your Google Voice account. Just copy them one by one and paste them inside a notepad because you will use them later. Aside that, you will also see all the detailed instruction of how to use the Google Voice you just got. That's why Mega Ply is good because you get instant access to your account and you also get detailed description of how to use it. If you already have experience on using Google Voice, then it should be easy for you. But as for those people that haven't used Google Voice before, you will need to log in with the email details on your phone, then you will download the Google Voice app. You will need to log in with the email details on your phone, then you will download the Google Voice app. The first thing you need is to add the email to your phone. So open your settings, then click on Account. Here, scroll down and click Add Account, then click Google. This is where you log in. Just enter the email address here and click Next. Then enter the password here and click Next. After adding the Gmail account, you can use it to access your Google Voice. So this is how to use your Google Voice number for calls, text, and verifications. There are two methods of using your Google Voice number. The first method is to go to voice.google.com and log in with the Gmail. But the second method is better. All you need is to install the Google Voice app. You can install the Google Voice app from Play Store. Here is the app on my phone. Now open it. Just click Switch Account. Then here you can select the Gmail account you just added. After that, you will be logged in with the Gmail. To see your Google Voice number, just click these three lines, then click Settings. You will see your Google Voice number on the top of the page. Now, anytime someone calls your number, you can pick up the call here. You will also be able to receive text messages and verification codes. Survey websites also work perfectly with this number, and you can also make calls. Anytime you call someone using your Google Voice number, they will see this number instead of your main number. You can use this number to open PayPal, open WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. And the best part is it never expires. Now here is the last thing you must do to secure your Google Voice account. You need to set a very strong password to protect your account. Because if anyone have access to this Gmail account, then they can use your Google Voice number. I believe you already know how to change your Gmail password. So if you follow these steps correctly, then you will now have your own Google Voice number. But if you encounter any issues, let me know in the comment section and I will be very glad to help you out. Also share this video with other people that may find it helpful.